Hi kids, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today let's learn how to draw alphabet. Now I am drawing A. A is for apple. Now I am drawing B. B is for ball. B is for banana. Now I am drawing C. C is for cat. C is for cat. Now I am drawing D. D is for dog. D is for dog. Now I am drawing E. E is for elephant. E is for eat. Now I am drawing F. F is for fish. F is for fish. Now I am drawing G. G is for God. Now I am drawing H. H is for house. H is for hen. So let's go. Bye bye friends.